cleaning these steps. I just got done pre-vacuuming them. You can see they're pretty soiled. Nylon carpet. These are actually the steps going up from a fellowship hall inside of a church. These steps got some spots on them, but not too bad. I'm going to use a low moisture system to clean these up. Doesn't need a lot of water. Saturate where it takes forever to dry. I'll be right back and I'll show you our system. Was applied, just misted it on the step. Use minimal moisture. I want it to dry, I'm not saturating the steps. And a lot of times, like these spots, I get agitated with a brush. Get that solution in there. Let that solution begin to work on it. And we'll take our little tool with our microfiber. Excuse me. Trying to do this with one hand. Take a look at this. You can see the yellow. You can start to see the soil that is taken out of this step. Extracting it out. Now we'll just get a new one. Or flip this over and use an area that's not completely, that's clean. Go ahead and touch it. You can in the video, but it's almost completely dry. Just barely damp, so it won't take long at all. If I had to, I could just keep on throwing brand new microfibers down and going over it. Continue to extract that out. What's nice also is there's a fabric brightener in my chemical, so as this as it's still wet and damp, that brightener will continue to work on it and bring those colors, make it really pop, especially for nylon carpet like this. It'll really make it look nice once it completely cleans. So this goes to show you, this is our EliteClean's method, a low moisture method. Very nice for upholstery, so it's not wet all day. Thank you for watching.